The L-shaped desk has gained quite a lot of popularity in the last few years. From the office to your personal gaming setup, everybody loves using these desks nowadays. In today's video, we will be discussing the 7 best L-shaped PC desks to help you find the right setup for your desktop. Sleek, smooth, and flexible, this L-shaped home office desk from Mr. Ironstone is just what you need to keep all your things organized. It comes in a very clean design and it's super easy to set up. Just go through the process in the instruction menu, and this desk will be ready to carry the weight of all your desktop components. Also, the additional detachable monitor shell can be very useful in many ways. You can either use it as your external monitor stand or just put random stuff on it to decorate the desk as you wish. And thanks to its tough surface, it doesn't take any damage from liquid spills and simple drops. Either way, this is a perfect desk for both work and play, which provides the maximum utilization of space. Are you a Call of Duty fan? Then we have the perfect gaming desk for you. This is the Precision Standing Gaming Desk, and it is officially licensed by Call of Duty. The whole design of this desk is based on the Warzone aesthetic. The surface is made of premium carbon fiber texture, and the entire stand has a sleek metallic finish. The best part of Precision is that this L-shaped desk has adjustable height presets. All you have to do is just simply press the buttons underneath the surface of the desk and adjust the height as you wish. Not only that, but this desk also comes with a dual USB charger, a swivel headphone hook, and an anti-collision system for advanced safety. On top of that, you'll get a free Warzone mousepad and built-in RGB lighting underneath the monitor stand. So if you're searching for a top-tier flexible gaming desk, then the L-shaped Precision Standing Desk is all you need. Up next, we have the Cold Home Corner Desk. This modern L-shaped office desk features style and saves space at the same time. It is easy to assemble, and the entire desk is built with high-quality wood, including metal frame stands, so durability is not a question here. Thanks to its adjustable footpads, it keeps the whole desk sturdy and enables a great user experience. Lastly, this L-shaped desk can support up to 220 pounds of maximum weight, which makes this a really great desk for both work and entertainment. Now, who doesn't like cool RGB features on a gaming desk? Check out this desk from the Eureka Ergonomic. It has RGB LED lights underneath this glass surface, which can be synced with the music that the user is listening to. All you have to do is connect the PC or phone to the sound reactor that comes with the desk. And while playing music, the RGB LED lights on the surface will automatically start syncing. This glass surface is also smash and water resistant as well, so there is no need to worry about the durability of this desk. And to make it even more convenient, Eureka Ergonomic also comes with a built-in swiveling dual headphone hook and a cup holder for a better user experience. If you are a fan of neat and clean desktop setups, you might want to check out the Green Forest L-shaped desk. This particular desk is fully reversible, and if you ever need an extra desk for your work, it can function as 2 separate desks. Just unscrew them from both sides, and there you have your secondary desk ready. It also comes with a detachable shelf, which can be placed anywhere around the table, or you can simply just remove the shelf if you need extra space. And to match it with your workspace or home, Green Forest can be found in 4 different colors. You may choose any of these colors based on your preference. Having a built-in outlet on the desk is a blessing that many users need, but not what they usually get. With EcoPrizzo L-shaped, you're not only just getting some plug-in outlets, but also getting 2 USB ports. The bottom part is made of a sturdy metal frame, so you can say it's a pretty strong desk regarding durability. Additionally, you can even turn this L-shaped desk into a U-shape for a better user experience if you own 2 of them at once. EcoPrizzo is available in 4 different colors: gray, black, rustic, and white. You may choose any of the following colors based on your preference. If you ever lack space to put your PC case on your desk, then don't worry. The TribeSigns Modern L has a solution for you. This beautifully L-shaped office desk right here comes with free CPU storage. So you can now safely put the CPU underneath your desk without any hassle. Design-wise, it looks perfect for a spacious office desktop setup. Thanks to its M-style buckle design, assembling this desk is really easy. It also comes with adjustable leg pads and a footrest so that users can sit nicely and comfortably all day long. So if you're looking for an affordable, sleek, and stylish L-shaped desk, then the TribeSigns Modern L is a really great choice. So that was all about the 7 best L-shaped PC desks. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.